Lung abscess. Clinical features. The symptoms of lung abscess are swinging fever and malaise, cough, sputum production which is of large amount and foul smelling, hemoptysis, then pleuritic chest pain is common. Sudden expectoration of copious amount of foul sputum if abscess rupture into the bronchus. Clinical signs are raised body temperature, profound systemic upset, then digital clubbing may develop quickly, 10 to 14 days. Rapid deterioration in general health with marked weight loss if not adequately treated. In chest examination, it usually reveals sign of consolidation. Signs of cavitation may be rarely found. Pleural rub is common. Crepitation is heard over the abscess may be found. Investigations include complete blood count, which shows neutrophilic leukocytosis, then ESR and CRP may be raised. Chest X-ray shows cavitation with air fluid level. Sputum examination is done for microscopic examination and culture and sensitivity. Blood culture is also done. Treatment includes postural drainage. Antibiotic treatment should be given for up to 4 to 6 weeks. Combination of antibiotic is usually necessary. If aspiration pneumonia is present, then intravenous co-amoxiclav 1.2 gram 8 hourly is given. If anaerobic bacterial infection is suspected, example from fetor of the sputum, oral metronidazole 400 mg 8 hourly should be added. If Pseudomonas infection is suspected, then an aminoglycoside such as gentamicin should be added. Further modification of antibiotics should be informed by clinical response and microbiological results. Surgical treatment should be done if no improvement occurs despite optimal medical therapy. Removal or treatment of any obstructing endobronchial lesion is essential.